In this video, I'm going to be designing a song art cover. Now, I have a lot of tutorials on this, but I just keep making more so you can see my new tricks and my new, ideas for making beautiful song art cover. So we'll get started right away. So the first thing I'm going to do in this video is to insert a background. Now, this is the default background for Pixellab. If you are watching this video for the first time, or you're using Pixellab for the first time, or hearing about it for the first time, I want you to know that it's a free application you can download on your Google Play Store. You can see it right here, Pixellab. You can download it for free on your Google Play Store if you use an Android phone. So once you open your Pixellab, this is exactly what you see. You understand? So right now, if I want to start making this design, I'm going to work on my background. I'm going to click on these three dots, and then I'll click use image from gallery, and then I'll look for that particular image and insert it. So this is the image I want to use. And now our design is a perfect square design. Perfect square, I mean the size. So I'm going to click on this square right now to cut this image out. So I'm going to cut it out like this, and I'll click this, and we're good. So now this is the background for the image. Then I'm going to tweak the colors a bit. So I'm going to click on this, then I'll scroll to where I have my saturation. I would increase my saturation a bit to like let's say 20. Then my brightness, I think I'll reduce my brightness to like -5. Then my contrast, I would increase my contrast to like let's say 15. Now that's cool. Then I'm going to add some noise. Click on this, add some noise. Yes. Then click OK. Then right now I'm going to add the image of the artist. So I'll click on plus sign, click on from gallery, and then add the image of the artist. So this is the image. As you can see, I've already erased the background of the image, and you can do that using photo room or remove.bg. Well, if you are still confused, just drop a comment, let me know in the comments, and I'll tell you how to go about it. But yeah, as you can see, I've removed the background of the image already, so I just need to enlarge it and place it properly in my design. So I'm going to place this design right here like this. Then I'm going to click on this. I will scroll to where I have color filters, and then I would decrease the saturation to 0, -100. It's the same thing as 0. I want to make the picture black and white. That's what I want. That's what I want for it, black and white. Then I'm going to increase the contrast to like 40. I would decrease the brightness to like 40 as well. Then boom, I think we're good. Then I'm going to scroll to where I have stroke. I'll click on stroke. It gives you this white stroke, but I'm going to choose this or this. Then I would increase it like this. Okay, I would use this. Nice. Then I'm going to duplicate this image. I'm going to duplicate it. To duplicate, just click on the image, then click copy. It makes another copy of it. Then right now I'm going to remove the stroke on this one, and then I'll go to colors. Just click on color, click on enabled. Then I'm going to change it to something else, to maybe this yellow. Then I'll take it behind, click on to back, and it goes behind that image automatically. You can see, you know. Then I would click on it again to duplicate. I'll click copy to duplicate, and then I'll just place it at the back right here. Then I can choose to make this another color. I can make it this. Okay. Mm, yeah. Then I could add some shadow. Boom. Then I'm just going to click on this and lock all three. One, two, three. Which means I don't want them moving around while I'm doing other things. So I lock them up. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to add a shape. I'll click on shape. I'm gonna add this square. Then I'll go to colors. I'll click on gradient, and I'll click on this. Let me just click on gradient, click on this, go to the plus sign right here. Then I'm going to make this down. I'll make it black, while this up will be transparent. Duplicate this. Not duplicate, delete. Okay, so we have this transparent and black. Then I'll increase the size. Then I'm just going to place it at the base of the image right here. Then I'll duplicate it. You know, I'll duplicate it, turn it around. Exactly. Then I'll cover the top. Then I lock both of them up. Now let us insert our text. So click on text, and then I'm going to type city boy. City. First off, I would increase the size. Then I click on fonts, go to my fonts, and then I'll choose a nice font that I want for this. Would this work? No, 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 no. Let's look for something else. Would this work? Okay, this could work. I would increase this. Then I'll click copy to duplicate, and then I'm gonna write boy here. Or I could increase this, then decrease this. Then I'll change the color to something like this. And I can decide to add stroke if I want to. So this image, I can decide to add stroke. Don't know if I want to add stroke, or I could leave it that way. Or maybe we'll just change the font again to something else. Sometimes it's like that. You'd spend quite some time looking for the right font to use for your designs. Um, yeah, so that happens. That is very normal. Mm, okay. Or okay. I think let's just look for one more, and we're good. Okay, I think this does it. So we have city boy. Perfect. Then I'm gonna add some shadow behind the text, just like this. Then let's add the name of the artist. We have Rick Amale. Kamale is a Nigerian artist, a Nigerian rapper, and singer. So you can check him out if you want to. You can check out his music. Anyway, then yeah, just make Rick Kamale right here. Then I could decide to add one more thing to this. Of course, I'll add like that. I'll just add this. Yeah, I'll add this parental advisory stuff. I'll take it to the bottom. Take it to the bottom right here. Exactly. Then I'm going to add something else. Then I'm going to add this airplane icon. Boom. So now we're done with our design, like we're 90% done, but we need to do one more thing. So I'll save it first. Click save as image. Shows very high. Save. Then now we're going to another application that I call Snapseed. So let's allow image to save first of all. So we'll go to Snapseed right now. This is another free application you can download. It is used for editing pictures. So I'll click on the plus sign and then I'll insert our design that we've made. So right now I just want to add some grainy effects to it. So I'll click on tools, then I'll click on grainy film, and then I'll click on this. Then I'll click on the style strength. I'll decrease the style strength. I'll click on it again, then click on grain and increase the grain. Now we have our song as cover. So this is before, this is after, before, after. Cool. So I'll just click export, save, click view. Boom, we have our song art cover that we made for free on Pixellab and Snapseed. So try this out and let me know if you're able to pull it off. By the way, if you're watching this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please do yourself the favor of subscribing. Why I said yourself the favor is because when you subscribe, you're able to see more and more videos like this. So make sure you subscribe because you'll be doing yourself a favor. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.